Hey, I'm Felipe at Coffee Physics. Let's get into some tech tips. Just want to talk a little bit about coffee equipment, espresso machines, coffee brewers, and all the magic that goes on behind them. I think that when you're a user, first of all, these manufacturers have done an excellent job of making these tanks that don't fail all the time, that kind of just need some minor maintenance here and there, but consistently to keep running properly, and a user that knows what they're doing and can respect the machine. And I think that's the part that I want to kind of talk a little bit about. For an espresso machine, for instance, you have steam wands, you have hot water dispensing, and that's about it. So as a user, you're like, well, steam and water, there we go. There's a lot of reasons that those things can fail. Behind the wall, inside the box of that whole machine, it's a Willy Wonka factory of things happening, and they're all very necessary. Thermodynamics, hydraulics, water going from a liquid to steam, vacuum effects, things like that. It's okay to not understand the nitty-gritty of it, but I think that it helps to understand that there is a world, a whole ecosystem of things happening there. And my hope, and I think our hope at Coffee Physics, is that people can at least be aware of that and kind of respect the machine in a way that it's doing a lot for you. Your job is a lot easier because there's so much behind there. The coffee world, the enthusiasts, the numbers have grown so fast in recent years, but the amount of people that know how to work on these machines that aren't just there to just turn a wrench and give you an invoice, the people that actually care about that ecosystem, that work hand in hand with the manufacturers, that number of people is a lot smaller, and it's not growing as fast as the enthusiasts. So when your coffee technician is out there, try to have a conversation about what's going on. Let's try not to look at it as like, it's broken, I want it fixed. There's a lot more to it than that. It's a world of things that are happening to help you create a coffee experience. And I think that when you understand at least that much of it, you're more willing to do proactive maintenance. You're more willing to have a better relationship with the service provider in your area to do so. And just realize we're trying to help. We're trying to help, but it's a complex system. And anyone at home that's opened up their machine like, I looked on YouTube, I can do this, they quickly find out that there is a lot more to it. It's nice to get that word out there, to have some visibility, and I think that we can take it in a positive direction when we're aware of what's actually going on.